And Granite Penguin asked the next, clear follow-up question, which is, how do I point it at something that's not?
This is everybody that I have talked to. I mean, there's got to be an 85 to 90%, right? I tell them about CLA and they're like, can I run that in my data center? The answer currently is no. But
so it actually takes your query and sends it off to a Watsonx backend via API calls and stuff to connect to the model that we're using, and then you get your response back. So you need to have internet access, and you can't, thank you, Apple, you can't change the model, right? It's a Red Hat model.
Right.
On the roadmap is allowing people to swizzle the configuration of Command Line Assistant to go to another place of their choosing. But that doesn't exist today.
Right. And even further down, there's people thinking about, can customers then customize the model to match their preferences, right? Like their standards or whatever. Again, that's way further out. Number one would be, can we let people run this in their data centers? And to that, like I said, product management has heard the question because we got it a million times at Summit.
When Nate says in the data centers, he means, can I run it locally?
Yes.
Not requiring external factors.
Right.
So let's see, a couple other questions. Man, there was a good one back in here and I've now lost it. Oh, somebody asked for a specific script. So we'll try that maybe a little bit later. Oh, we already covered Vincent's same sessions thing. So I mentioned that, like, if you ask at different times of day or another day, it's a different session. So it has no context for the questions asked previously. Also, like, there's a limit to how much data you can send. So once we hit that limit, it'll actually roll over to a new session as well. So even if you're asking a series of questions, you may see that it loses session context. But again, that's by design, right? We're choosing to not send a bunch of data. We're choosing to not track these sessions and make them unique to you for managing everybody in aggregate.